Guys, there's nothing that's more disgusting than watching this grown woman with kids disrespect a even more grown man that she's supposed to be respecting as her husband. If you don't know what I'm talking about or who I'm talking about Umayeni from Usando Nestembo, allegedly, because based on how I see her being portrayed on this season of Uthando Nestembo, I understand ukuthi Umayeni is, I don't know if that's what she's going for, but of late she's very insubordinate of her husband, of her husband's requests. Yonke into uMthombeni ayishoyo umayeni uvela ayibhekise eceleni or ayithathe ngenye indlela. It's as if anything uMthombeni says kahle kahle, it's as if usuke enyathela umayeni emsileni. It's as if usuke enyathela inja emsileni, allegedly. Angisho ukuthi umayeni uyinja, I'm just trying to ukwenza an example using a Zulu acronym, right? Ever since the season has started, Umayeni has been called my fighter because she's disrespecting her man. And I understand ukuthi Umayeni, I've never been in a polygamous situation before, and angisho ukuthi yinto mhlawumbe elula. It's something I've never experienced, so I can't really understand the level of her pain or how she's feeling within that marriage. But I feel like if esengenile kuleyo situation, she needs to adapt. If she's not happy, she needs to leave, because nobody forced her to get into this marriage. Mina mengibuka, I could be wrong, but mengibuka ngazi ukuthi umayeni is resentful of uMthombeni, because everything uMthombeni says, everything he does, even if eyenza ngesihle yabo, or he's trying to make peace, ngazi ukuthi umayeni uyanyanya. Everything uMthombeni says, she has a problem with that. And that leads me to believe that she's resentful of him for izinto that he has done in the past or he's doing maybe behind closed doors, I don't know. But mina into engayisho ukuthi if she's not happy, she needs to leave this man, because the character, the person she's becoming in this marriage, akasiyena umuntu onambithiseka kahle. Akwazi ukuthi you're an old woman over the age of 50, and instead of that, as much as you're a human being and your man is a human being, but there's just a certain way that you talk to your husband. Even if, let's say you're not talking to your husband, just talking to a person. You don't talk to a person like that. Ukhuluma nomuntu uzumkhombe. If uMthombeni spoke to umayeni the same way umayeni talks to uMthombeni, ngabe sekubhaliwe iy'ncwadi ey'ningi uMzansi Magic kuthiwa awuvalo uthando nesithembu. But since umayeni, she's a woman, she can get away with it, allegedly, and it's wrong. It's wrong. Akunambithiseki kahle umama ekhuluma nobaba kanjalo in the home. You know, all this time umayeni is always saying ukuthi uMpumelelo usile ufuze ubabakhe. Mina ngibona ngazi ukuthi uMpumelelo ukuhlaza ufuze yena. Yonke engiyibonayo lo, ngibona ukuthi uMpumelelo ukuhlaza ufuze uma wakhe, allegedly. Ngibona lokho mina, because awukwazi noma kuthiwa umyeni wakho kwenza, mekuthi umyeni wakho is bringing out such a nasty character kuwena, mshiye uhambe uyoshabeni, uphole eqolo, uphole. Because now when you come back to this toxic environment, you're showing us sides of you anganambitheki kahle. Because even noma uMthombeni wrong kanjani, wena ngenxa yokuthi manner of approach awunayo, automatically he looks like he's the one in the right. So many people, they don't side with you anymore, no matter how wrong he is. They side with him ngenxa yokuthi indlela omphatha ngayo phambi kwabantu. Nobody likes a person that's rude. And nje thina-ke as women, especially black Zulu women, we've been taught ukuthi respect is very, very important, especially for men. So akunambitheki kahle when umuntu omdala ofana ngabe uyasitshengisa indlela ukuthi indoda iphathwa kanjani, okukhuluma kanjani naye, kube uyena umuntu ositshengisayo ukuthi kahle kahle you should talk to him like this. No, man. If ukuthi uMseleku is treating you as bad as you say, why are you still with him? Why are you still with him? uMseleku is a polygamous man. Akashintshanga after eshade wena, akashintshanga after ashada uMacele, akashintshanga after ashada uThobile. So why futhi akashintshanga after eshada uMangwabi? So kade bengena, why now besashada uSamke allegedly sekuyinkinga kangaka? Umayeni nje needs to accept ukuthi kahle kahle she married into a polygamous relationship. uMseleku, to his core, he's a polygamous man. and nento yokuthi umlwise, it doesn't change the fact that that's who he is in his core. UMacele even said ukuthi umuntu umthanda kumele umamkele, accept izinto naye ayithandayo ukuze ukuthi ube ne-peace of mind, ngoba lezo zinto angeke aze ayiyeke. And sengiyayibona, before nganga-understand, yabo manje sengiya-understand. He's a polygamous man. He likes he excels in cheating. That is what you signed up for. Wakhetha ukuthi nokuthi ngihlale ekhaya, ngigugele ekhaya, ngifuna ukushada. Washada. Ushadile futhi sobo wena ufuna ushaya isicathulo ukuthi how will my marriage go? No. The minute you get married, you sign up to be the neck, not the head. Kahle kahle, you are there to make a vision yaleyo ndoda happen. And Umsele has from the beginning said ukuthi mina i-vision yami kuba ne-big family nesithembu. When you need to be in line and make sure ukuthi leyo vision iyenzeka in the healthiest way possible. Hayi ukuthi umlwise, because umlwisa, you're only hurting yourself. He's not going to change. He told you who he was from the beginning. Accept and get over it. Stop being so disrespectful. Akunambitheki.